I'm going to show you guys how to make the most perfect steak. But first, how do you know when your steak is done? When you press on the top of it, that should be rare, that's medium, and a full fist, that is well done. Alright, let's get into it. Bring your steaks up to room temperature, then season generously with salt and black pepper. Season on both sides, make sure you get the tops and bottoms as well. Mop off all that good seasoning on the cutting board. Hot skillet with avocado oil, drop the steaks down. 4 to 5 minutes, develop that nice crust, and we're going to flip it over. Cook it for another couple minutes, making sure we're searing off the tops and bottoms as well to pack in all those juices. Give it one more flip, and we're going to throw in some butter. Then we're going to baste the steak with that butter, and we're going to let this steak rest on our cutting board for about 5-10 minutes. Don't cut it open. And we're going to slice it up after it's done resting, and then we're going to serve. Enjoy.